In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can disable running on apps in the background on iPhone. Managing background app refresh on your iPhone is crucial for optimizing battery life, data usage, and overall device performance. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the Settings page, select on General. You will then head into the option of Background App Refresh. You will see all apps that run in the background on your iPhone. You can either manually turn one by one at once or just tap right here and select on Off. All the apps that run in the background will get turned off successfully. This action not only extends your iPhone's battery life, but also ensures that resources are allocated efficiently, potentially speeding up your device. That's how easy it is to turn off background app refresh on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.